everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Hooligans Fishing. Today we are at a new river, so we're going to be checking it out. Hopefully we can get into them. I know Hazel's getting into the gophers back there, but yeah, the river's right here. We about got stuck. We had to put her in four-wheel drive, and the rest of this road is not looking promising. I'm sure some of you might recognize it, but there's the rest of the road right there. And with my pickup truck, I don't want to get some severe scratches on it, so we're gonna park it right here and probably walk in the rest of the way. So yeah, we stopped by a local fly shop. We're gonna tie in a couple suggestions that they gave us, and as well we did a little bit of research, and I already see some bugs flying around, so I think we'll be able to dial her in. This is day one of a 5-day trip, so y'all stay tuned. Probably gonna break this into a couple different videos because it's gonna take some time. I don't want to do like an hour long, but this is stop number one, river on the western slope. Let's go. Hey, where's Hazel, dude? There's one. Nice little fella. Hazel! Nice brown, cool colors. There we go, guys. Another just beautiful brown trout here. Look at that thing. It's just beautiful. Alright guys, so really quick, I just wanted to talk about my rig and how I have this thing set up. So I'm using a 4X leader with I tied on some 5X tippet to my first fly. And then below that, I did 6X fluorocarbon to my second fly. The strike indicator, I've been just adjusting as I've been going because I've been fishing 2 feet to about 4 or 5 feet. So hopefully I can get you guys a good shot of these flies that I'm using. So let me show you. So one of them is like a little, it's like a rust color pheasant tail. It's got a little flashback to it. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that very well. And then the other one I'm using is like a Rainbow Warrior style bead head. I was using that as an attractor because I know there's mysis shrimp in here. So, but the hatches are getting ready to pop off. So I'm about ready to switch up the nymph rig to a dry fly rig, which I will show you guys here in a second. All right, guys. So the dry fly setup. This is a big old green drake. I want to say like size 12. And then over here we've got like a little PMD merger slash dry fly. We're gonna see what happens. I don't think I'm gonna put any floating on it because I'm seeing both. I've never fished a river that's got drakes in it, so we're gonna get right back in position. We got rising fish right here in this little pocket, so we're gonna go down in there. Probably not staying in the water because I'm not wearing waders and this water is freezing, so let's see what we can do. Nice fish, mister. Check them out, mister. Nice rainbow. Harold, stay over here. Little guy. It's pretty tough to land this fish. So he crossed the fast current. Glad he's not huge. Oh no. Come here, buddy. Guys. Mister. Harold. There he is. This is just, these fish in here are just freaking amazing. Look at that thing. Look at the Helios on him. Freaking sweet. Alright guys, yeah, so that is gonna call it a day here. We did get here a little bit past noon, so we didn't get to fish super long, but I mean, can't complain, you know, coming to new water, being able to just figure it out, and we put some nice fish in the net. We saw a couple nice ones. We could not get them to go, but yeah, it's great. I guess the trick tip of the day is look at the fishing reports online, check out what fly shops are in the area, and go talk to them. Honestly, I've had good experiences with fly shops and bad experience. Well, not necessarily bad experiences, but just experiences where they're not willing to give you any information. But the fly shop that I stopped at earlier today, they gave me tons of information, handed me a handful of flies. I used the handful and caught fish. So good day. We're gonna come back to this same area tomorrow, probably not fish the same spots. We're gonna go check out further down the river and probably a little bit further up the river, and we'll do it all day. So yeah, we're gonna go find a campsite and make some dinner. All right guys, so unfortunately, due to some bad news from a local fly shop, both of the new rivers that I wanted to go to are, well, one of them is not fishable. I think it's at like 800 to 900 CFS, and wade fishing is super hazardous at this point. So we asked about the other tailwater that we were gonna go to, which I was really looking forward to because it's a bit of a hike to get to, and so not too many people do it. He said that the flows are low, and he said the fishing is not ideal right now, which is a bummer because we drove 2 hours from the river we were at to that location where we were gonna fish those 2 new spots. So we're gonna have to save those for a new weekend. And yeah, so we're back to the water we know, which is not too far away from where we wanted to fish. So we ended up stopping, and yeah, we're gonna crash around here tomorrow. I think we're gonna do a little hiking to an area that you guys have definitely seen me fish before, and then to our Monday, because we got the day off, we're going back to one of our favorite spots. We got a new camera, so we want to check that out, and that's one of the better spots to do that at, so we're gonna do it. So yeah, tonight we're going streamer fishing until it gets dark. We're gonna go camp and then move on. So we'll see if we can get into anything.